In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and junk from Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is go down here next to the Windows logo, where it's the magnifying glass search logo, and then simply type in storage and then settings. As you can see, it already pops up. And the first thing is storage settings inside system settings, and that's what you want to click. And then you're taken into your storage of your C drive, so your Windows SSD, which as you can see is half a terabyte big for myself. And the thing we're gonna focus on right now are these temporary files over here. So you wanna click on these, and then in here, click on refresh, so everything refreshes. As you can see, all the temp files and junk files and different folders that are not needed are kept in here. So you can choose whether you want to delete the recycle bin as well. So in my case, as you can see, the recycle bin is quite big since I haven't removed anything from it for quite a while. And the downloads are one of the possible options as well. Now, you can simply select what you want to delete. So in my case, I'm going to click on recycle bin and then downloads as well. And these other things from thumbnails, temporary internet files, DirectX shader cache, and temporary files, stuff like that, are just simple images and copies inside your system that you do not need, and your computer can operate perfectly fine without them. In fact, even better, because it's going to have more space and therefore work faster. Now, the way you do this is simply check what you want to remove, but be careful with those download folders, since these are the files you personally downloaded and there might be something in there that you would like to keep. Now, in that case, it's best to go into your downloads folder and delete everything you don't need manually, but delete everything else using this. So I'm going to click this to uncheck it. There we go. Now, once you've selected everything you want to click on Remove Files, and Windows is going to automatically remove the unneeded files for you. Now, this will remove most of the items, but mind you, some of the things will not be deleted, and for those things, you're going to perform a step 2. So you want to do this by going again into the search and typing in %temp%. So this stands for %temporary%. You click on this folder, and then once the folder pops up, there's going to be a bunch of items in here. All you want to do is simply click on Ctrl A, so to select everything, or simply opening up, or simply just, hovering over and selecting all the items, but Ctrl A is the easiest way to do it. Now, once you've done this, you want to click on either delete on your keyboard or this bin icon up here. And then once you click on it, everything is going to be moved into your bin, which is going to delete everything in this folder. And don't worry, because nothing important is going to be deleted. If you get asked if you want to delete a certain folder and ask for permission, just click on skip, because you don't want to delete that, but all the other files that aren't important are going to be deleted. And this is exactly how you remove all your junk and your cache from Windows 11, and I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.